Advanced Chapter 10 Tests, Data and Statistics. Be sure to show all of your work on every problem. The table shows the number of hours Felicia spent sleeping each night for 12 nights. Use the table for exercises 1 through 3. Number 1, what is the mean of the data? Number 2, what is the median of the data? Number 3, what is the mode of the data? Refer to the dot plot for exercises 4 and 5. 4. What percent of the students sold less than 6 tubs? 5. What is the median of the data? 6. The data in the stem and leaf plot shows the number of birds that visited a watering hole each hour. Circle 2 true statements from the choices below based on this data. A. There were a total of 18 birds that visited the watering hole. B. For more than half of the hours measured, 25 or more birds visited the watering hole. C. There were exactly 7 hours in which more than 40 birds visited the watering hole. D. The range of the number of birds visiting a watering hole each hour was 55. Use the table for exercises 7 through 9. 7. Determine the mean of the data. 8. Which value is an outlier? 9. What is the mean cost without the outlier? For exercises 10 through 12, use the following set of data. 10. What are the first and third quartiles of the data? 11. What is the interquartile range of the data? 12. What percent of the data is located between the first and third quartiles? 13. Students at 2 high schools were asked about their plans after graduation. The table displays the results for 300 students at Henderson High School. The bar graph displays the results for 300 students at Johnson High School. Which statement about the results from Henderson High School and Johnson High School must be true? A. The number of students who selected armed forces or other is greater for Henderson High School than for Johnson High School. B. Colleges associated with the mode for each high school. C. The number of students who selected work is greater for Johnson High School than for Henderson High School. D. There is no mode associated with either high school. For exercises 14 and 15, refer to the histogram at the right that shows the prices of different calculators. 14. Which price interval has the least frequency? 15. How many calculators cost less than $60? 16. The lengths of the fish in inches that Ricky caught on a fishing trip are shown below. Find the measures of variation for the data set and fill in the answer spaces. Then neatly draw a box plot for the data using a ruler. Bonus. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. The blank is the number or numbers that occur most frequently in a data set. A blank is an empty space or interval in a set of data. Data that are grouped together are called a blank. Values that divide the data set into 4 equal parts are blank. A blank is a value that is much greater or smaller than the rest of the data in a set.